So this Wicked Sub here, I'm talking about not season 1, but not season 2 either. I open my microwave. I'm like, where's my microwave? I'm like, hell no. America's Worst Chef? Hell no. So I'm going to try to figure out what this microwave is, what we can microwave. So what's microwavable? So I'm going to look in my pantry and be like, hell yes. So we're going to do a few taste tests here. You gotta use a microwavable safe dish. But hell yes. So I'm going to start off with a few tortilla chips. See how this goes. I don't know if we should go for like a minute or 30 seconds. Hell no. Probably like 20 seconds. Hell yes. So we're going to keep this under a minute, folks. We got a few microwavable tortillas. And we're going to see how this turns out. Let's keep this under a minute. I don't know which way this is facing. But this is Wicked Sub here, not season 2. And we're going to start microwaving, cooking. And 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 10, 20, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. And then we're going to... the chat, a little hot, too hot to handle, a little burnt tasting. We gotta keep episode 3 coming.